Folks, welcome to my channel. What do I have here? The SCUDERIA Ferrari watch. I'm not going to try to pronounce that. It is a beautiful ANADIGIT watch. It's got some heft to it. It's all stainless steel but black coated. It's waterproof to 5 atmospheres. It is a chronograph and it has a tachometer function in it. It has a whole lot of different world time functions. And as I go through the various time modes, you can see this thing clicking away here. It's called the ANADIGIT watch, and it is just a gorgeous watch. You can see all the time 1, time 2, time 3, time R, timer. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous watch. I usually wear this on Fridays, and I've got a picture of it in the background here on my tablet. Anyway, this watch is my special Friday watch. Just enjoy watch. It's got a very nice rubber strap on it. Not a problem at all. And if I go through the specs of this watch really quickly and just scoot up on this web page here, I can see what the specs would be for this watch. Look at this, 44mm case. It's an ANADIGIT multifunction display with luminescent hands, water resistance to 5 atmosphere, 3 time zones, digital alarm, day, month, year display, week number display, chronograph, 1 to 100 seconds, tachometer, timer, etc., etc. Durable battery, 47 months of battery life. That's pretty impressive. Black rubber strap. Oh my God, this thing is amazing. So I picked this up in Italy at the Ferrari store. It was one of my best little adventures. It put a smile on my face for weeks. This is the Ferrari ANADIGIT watch. Just love this thing. So this is just a quick watch video I figured I'd put on. This thing's weighs a lot. So go out there and get yourself one of these watches. If you haven't got one, then boo for you.